Are you yearning for an engaging RPG experience without the hassle of endless downloads and installations? Do you constantly search for truly accessible adventures that run flawlessly on any device, right from your browser? Imagine a world of epic quests, challenging dungeons, and character progression available instantly whenever you desire. Say hello to Quest HTML5 Game, the ultimate browser RPG designed to deliver instant immersion and deep adventure. This exceptional game plays directly within your browser, eliminating any need for complex software installations. Immerse yourself in a classic fantasy realm, meticulously crafted with challenging dungeons, captivating quests, and formidable foes. As you progress, you'll level up your hero, acquire powerful equipment, and unlock diverse abilities through an engaging progression system. Dungeon Quest showcases high-quality graphics and immersive sound design, bringing its rich, responsive world vividly to life. Enjoy seamless gameplay whether you're at your desktop or on the go, thanks to its complete mobile compatibility. Your heroic journey is always secure with our convenient save and load game feature, ensuring you never lose a moment of progress. For visionary developers and entrepreneurs, Dungeon Quest represents an unparalleled opportunity. Developed using Construct 3, it provides incredible ease of customization for all aspects, from graphics and sounds to levels and character statistics. Monetize your game effortlessly and immediately with its pre-integrated AdMob support. The meticulously well-commented code and comprehensive documentation ensure that modifications are straightforward, even if you're new to game development. Benefit from dedicated lifetime support, guaranteeing your project's continued success and smooth operation. This isn't just a game, it's a complete, high-quality, ready-to-launch RPG project awaiting your unique creative touch. Stop searching for the perfect game or struggling with complex development from scratch. Unleash the power of instant RPG adventure or create your next hit game with Dungeon Quest HTML5 Game. Discover more and get your copy today by following the link provided in the description below.